Here is how to apply for a Moniepoint personal loan without needing a salary account. Ensure you have an active Moniepoint personal account that you use regularly for transactions, as loan eligibility is calculated automatically based on your account activity. No salary account or collateral required. So open your Moniepoint personal banking app and sign in. Tap on the loan icon located on the main dashboard. So check your pre-approved offer. The system will evaluate your transaction history and display the exact loan amount you qualify for instantly. So select your loan details, choose your preferred loan amount and repayment method. Carefully review the interest rate, the total repayment amount and the due date. Accept the terms and enter your transaction PIN to finalize. The loan will be credited directly to your Moniepoint account right away. Thank you for listening and goodbye.